is that? No, this one here. What is that? What's that? What's this? What's this? Baby, that's right. What's this? Kitty cat, that's right. What's that? Vroom, what is that? Car. There you go. What's this? What's this? Woof, woof, woof. You can't do that. What's that? Froggy, that's right. What are these? What are these? Their feet. What's this? Can you do this one? We're still on the feet. What's this one?
To get his foot up on the book.
Okay, you're showing the foot on the book. Feet on the book. Okay, what's this? Elephant. Oh, careful. Oh, what's this one? What's this? Giraffe. That's right. What's that? You know that one? No, that's not a puppy dog. That's a horsey. What are these? What are these things? Right here. Kitty cat, that's right. What's that? You almost had it? What's this? What is that? Whoop, 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 monkey, that's right. Monkey. I don't think we know any of those. What that is? What's she pointing at? Is that her nose? Let's see. What's that? Puppy dog, that's right. What's this? What is this? Little guy. What's that? Oh, what are these? Do you know these? You kind of almost did it. Socks. 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 What's this one? Ducky. That's right. Ducky. Duck. What's this? What's that? Balloon. That's right. What's that? A ball. Yes, very good. Do you know? Can you do the butterfly? Butterfly. Like this. Butterfly. Yeah. That was fun.